again, you've got large caps kind of outperforming. XLK interesting up to that 90 pips. Some tech. But I continue to think, again, the signal for whether or not we're going to rip into year-end will be in the Russell. I pointed out 1200 as substantial resistance on Friday's show, and I do believe...
Hello YouTube, I want to show you how the Bose radio
to the rally. These are stocks
mechanism operates. This is a 6 CD changer with a tape.
Composite has been trending lower all year, so if you get a reversal there...
Just want to show you general operation. This may help.
You could see animal spirits resume once again.
So we're not worried at all that we're borrowing anything from January, just based on the
load,
the fierceness of this rally over the last week.
Select this. I'm going to go with 6.
I mean, January can be certainly a volatile month, but I think today and the action this week is really, it started with OPEC and them not deciding to cut and saying they're not going to cut anytime soon. So I think that oil prices are going to stay lower for longer.
I got to make an adjustment here.
Our theme hasn't changed. You really want to focus on the beneficiaries of the lower oil prices, the consumer, not only discretionary, by the way. I think consumer staples are getting a bum rap because they're a little more expensive, but I think their costs, their input costs are coming down pretty dramatically, and I think demand will get better. So consumer financials, the consumer-related financials, like the credit card companies too. So those are places where we're putting our money.
Doc, if we are going to get this Santa Claus rally, traditionally starts Wednesday. Last 5 trading days of this year, first 2 of next year. Where do you want to be? I mean, if Josh is right and you're going to get this leg to run on, where do you want to run with?
Well, right now what we've seen, as we usually do, Judge,
all right, one more time.
Tax-related trades that go off right now.
This part here kind of came off.
Right up till the end of the year now.
And I have to push it back in. Let's go load. Select disk. Here's number 6. Okay, insert disk. Let's see what happens. Hey, look at that.
Many of them had nice recoveries off of severely oversold.
That looks good.
But nonetheless,
hey,
pushed out because nobody really wants
action.
on their books. And
took a couple days to fix the CD player, but seemed to be looking good.
So those names are the ones that I want to be
now I'm going to hit eject.
Next year. Those are the ones where I think you get the most
eject.
All right, Mr. Fisher.
Eject.
Welcome back. It's good to talk to you, and I couldn't imagine a better time to have somebody like you joining us at a time like this. So what is your view
and there it is.
On oil?
Voila, I hope this helps, guys.
Where we are, and how low do you think we'll go?
Okay.
I'm going to keep this
up until 6 months ago, okay, I was in the belief that
video running. This way, the more information we get, the better off we are. There we go.
The game's changed because two words started.
Let's go load. Where's the load button? Here's load. We're going to go load. We're going to go number 1.
You got the dollar.
Select disk. Wait.
You got.
Okay, it's going to take it back. Come down here.
Pushing as much production
all right, we're going to load this. I believe that's disk number 1, the one I just put in, and the one on top is number 6. But you can see how the optical travels in, and
okay, because I think that they're going to go ahead and see how much pain
sits on top of the CD and reads it. And everything seems to be running perfectly. So we'll go ahead and select eject. 1. Eject. Select disk. My buttons are all messed up. Disk 1.
The U.S. producer, because there's no way.
Yep, that's disk number 1. It's going to get ejected. I'm going to hit eject, and it's going to say select disk. I'm going to go 6.
Mexico, Russia, Venezuela, Iran,
and
Iraq. Okay.
There we are.
Countries all can basically just
beautiful.
Say, okay, we're going to cut.
I hope this helps YouTube. Please like and subscribe. Here's a business card. If you guys have any questions, I will try to do more videos on this, so stay tuned. One thing you do need to remember, YouTube, is these 2 pins here, they slide out. You see there's 2 little pins. Make sure you slide one in here. When you go to work on it, don't lose them. This will go right in here, and this will go right in there. So those are the only 2 things when you pull the cover off you'll have to pay attention to. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Thanks for watching, YouTube. I'm going to pause this, and I will do other video later.